guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancia, and if today is the first time you're welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining today. Please lovely, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go subscribe now. Click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video, and if you haven't seen my previous video, you can go check them out after this very video. So thanks again and God bless you. Today guys, I'm gonna be doing a very easy everyday makeup look, and yeah, if you're interested, you definitely want to keep it. So first I have to draw my eyebrow. So guys, if you haven't seen my eyebrow tutorial video, go check it out after this video. So next I'm gonna go ahead and apply my shadow, and the palette I'm using today is from Morphe. Yeah, I love Morphe. And I'm using the shade Misa, so I will be using this as my base. And next I'm applying the shade Shares. Shares to my 123 subscribers, and shares to more subscribers, guys. So next I'm gonna go ahead and fix my lashes. I just drew a light liner to make it faster. So I'm gonna be applying my concealer first before my foundation, because guys, I'm having some breakage on my skin right now. Oh, God, I don't even want to talk about that. So the concealer I'm using today is from Maybelline, and guys, I fell in love with this concealer already. Like, this is a full coverage concealer that I have been searching for, and I would like to search for more. Yeah, but this really works better for me. And guys, do not forget to use whatever product that works better for you. That is very important. So now I'll go ahead and apply my foundation from Morphe. So I always love to create a dot on my face with my foundation to avoid excess foundation on my face, and it's also easy to blend out this way. And I'll be using an angle brush to blend it out. This is not a foundation brush, but it's one of my favorite brush that I use. It works like my sponge or beauty blender. So now I'll go ahead and highlight my face with my concealer here from Maybelline. I'm going to be blending that out with my hanger brush, my favorite one. And now I will be applying my bronzer, and this is from Revolution, just to keep it natural, guys. Yeah, to keep it natural, because that's what the bronzer does on your makeup. And I'm gonna be applying my powder to blend everything together. And this is a set of powder, like a powder palette that comes with an highlighting bronzer. I've been using this for years, so guys, I really can't tell where the product or the name of the stuff. Yeah, I can't tell, guys. Now I'm applying my bronzer from Revolution, And I'm using the same powder brush that I used to apply my powder to apply this too. So now I'm gonna spray my face, and I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Paris setting spray. It's quite ashy, guys, so when you're doing this, make sure you close your eyes properly. And I'm gonna be using this lipstick from L'Oreal Paris matte 472. I don't know if you can see that, but please guys, check the description box for all tools and products used. So yeah, I want to keep it natural, and see, this is so natural, guys. Very easy, and this is the finishing. I hope you like it. So guys, I really hope that was helpful and you learned something new. And if you like my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, like, share, comment. Let me know how you feel about this video. And if you have any tutorial video you would love to see me do, comment guys in the comment section, and I will do a tutorial for it. And please guys, please subscribe to my channel. 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 Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.